Hey sis, welcome back. I know you missed me. Let's get right into it. Okay. All right, moving on to today's topic. So this is a palette. I know. This palette came out last year. Did this palette come out last year? No. I think this palette came out last year. Oh, and to explain my eyebrows, I'm sure some of y'all are like, you're going to talk about your eyebrows, right? I have them glued down. I use some Elmer's washable glue, the purple one, and I just put some, what's it called? Airspun loose powder on top to flatten them out because I'm going to be doing a big butterfly look, but you already know because you saw that in the thumbnail. So this is the Paint Palette by Glamlite Cosmetics. There's 18 colors in it, and I love this box. I low-key don't want to throw it away because it's so nice. It's like really pretty. So let's open this up. Okay, well, yeah, that happened. We're gonna try this again, okay? Well, there's the palette. Is my mom calling? Oh my goodness. Hello. Okay, Mom, I am filming. Okay, bye. All right, let's try that again. Open this up. I'm gonna hold it this time. So this is what the box on the inside looks like. You get a brush. It's supposed to be your paint brush. I don't really use these type of brushes. I kind of wish they would have sent like a actual blending brush because I don't know what I would really, I guess maybe like concealer, but again, I don't really use those type of shaped brushes. I like synthetic brushes, but I don't use that type of brush. They give you this really nice tissue paper, and here is the palette in the box, but I'm sure we've all seen it. So let me take it out. Alright, so here she is. Open her up. Oh my goodness, isn't she pretty? Look at all these colors. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, and you can stick your thumb through and hold it. I am going to be using, I believe, coral. No, not coral. Well, maybe coral. Maybe coral, fuchsia, and purple, definitely. So this is coral, fuchsia, and purple. So I might use coral, but I'm definitely going to use these two. If I don't end up using coral, I will be using, where did I put it? Oh, I'll be using Fonte from the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette. This is Fonte. Fonte is a lot lighter in person. I know the camera is making it look a little bit darker, but yeah, those are the eyeshadows I'm going to use. Okay, so this is the general shape and blend that I'm going to be doing. Now, so this this palette has a lot of fallout. Oh no, y'all can see, like, that's a lot of fallout. And these eyeshadows look darker on the eye than I was expecting. I wasn't expecting to go this deep of a purple because it doesn't look that deep of a purple in the pan. I do use a wet base. I don't have an eyeshadow base that dries down, so maybe it'll be different with a base that dries down versus a wet base. And there are some, I don't know if y'all be able to see, but there are some parts of the eyeshadow where it just looks a little weird, you know? highlight I'm going to use is KVD Alchemist Holographic Palette. I'm going to be using Opal, which is that one right there. For highlight, I'm going to use a combination of this LA Colors Beauty and Bloom highlighter in the color Quartz. It has 3 different colors in it, but I just swirl it around and it gives me a really, really pretty highlight. Oh man. I hope you know I'm recording.
Huh?
I'm recording.
You gonna delete that, right? Cause that.
I mean, I am filming this part of the tutorial.
Why'd you say come in?
What has that stopped you before? Yeah.
Please be sure to edit me out.
Yes, Mom.
I was coming to say goodnight.
Says, oh my gosh. Look at me. Look. Speechless. So I can't be too dramatic because these flowers, no, these are butterflies. These butterflies will drop off because they're just stuck on like magnetically to my clips. So I have to be careful. But isn't this pretty? I took a picture, not with the butterflies in my hair, but I just took a picture just to see, just to get an update of how my makeup looked. And it is so pretty. And I'm so hot that my camera on this iPad is not showing y'all. It's not showing y'all the magnitude of how pretty this is. Anyways, about the palette. I so far like the palette. The eyeshadows were blendable. Blendable? Is that a word? Blendable. Note to the editor, me, Siobhan. Hey, look up the word blendable and see if that's a real word, okay? Okay. But anyways, I do like the palette. I don't know if you all will be able to see, but there's actual dent in the purple as well as the fuchsia. So that means baby girl used quite a bit of the eyeshadow, but it didn't hit pan. So I guess that means there's a lot of product in the pan. So we like that. But yeah, I think I'm going to do another, I'm sure the title says 2 looks using this palette, but I am going to do another look with this. Like I said, I've only used 2 eyeshadows, but so far, I like it. It's really pretty. It's really, really pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. Hey, I did a good job covering them. Anyways, hey sis. So yes, this is round 2 for the Glamlite Paint Palette? Yeah, Paint Palette. So this time I'm going to be doing a cut crease. I haven't done a cut crease in a good minute. But anyways, I'm going to do a cut crease, and I think I'm going to use... Oh yeah, I don't have brows on. This is the second look that I did this video with no brows, but she's an artist, so she doesn't need brows. She doesn't need structure. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to use. White and royal blue. If anything changes, y'all know. Y'all know I'll let you know. But anyways, I'm going to go and do the one eye off camera so I know what I'm doing when I come back and talk to y'all, so I'm not mush mouth. Even though I'm always mush mouth, but since girl, I'm back. Bye. corner, I'm going to use the KVD Alchemist Holographic Transformer in the color Aquamarine. You don't have to say it, because I'll say it for you. She did that. Okay. Do y'all see the blend right now? Can y'all see it? Do I need to get closer? I'll bring you closer. Do y'all see that? Girl. Stop. Ow. My jacket got caught. So, final thoughts on the palette. I like this palette, and I do think it is worth the money. Now, there was a lot of kickback in the pan, which I showed y'all when I did my first look, the butterfly look. There was a lot of kickback, and there was a lot of fallout on my face. Oh, and I forgot to say, when I took off that pink and purple eyeshadow, eyeshadow last night, I was so pink. It stained my skin so bad. So imagine me wiping off that entire beat from last night. And you can see all of the spots where I put on the pink and purple eyeshadow. It was a mess. And my skin was on fire trying to scrub it off. But I still think it's worth it. Just want to let y'all know the purple and the fuchsia color stains your skin. Now, on to royal blue and white. I like both of them. Y'all know I love blue eyeshadow. I have a special place in my heart for blue eyeshadow. So I think that it's a good palette. I think all the eyeshadows that I used blend well together. I didn't have any issues like with it. Some of it did get a little patchy, I'm not gonna lie, like the purple, but purples are finicky, so I'm not gonna fault the palette on that. Drink your water. Mind your business. Black Lives Matters. Please wear your mask. Wear your mask. Wear your mask. Take some vitamins. Okay?